Hey there. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through how to get started with your pre-created digital business cards. Your organization has already set up your account and created your digital business card, so you're ready to easily exchange contact information, social media, websites, and much more with potential clients using your QR code. So let's get started. First, download the app by searching Wave Digital Business Card on App Store or Play Store. If you prefer using a browser, head over to wavecnct.com to log in. Once you have the app, log in using your company email. You'll receive a 6-digit code to verify your account. Simply place the 6-digit code when prompted to log in. If you have a physical NFC card or accessory, now's the time to hold it to the back of your phone or scan the QR code on the back of the card to connect it to your account. Once connected, you can share your contact details by holding the card to the top back of an iPhone or the center back of an Android. If you don't have an NFC product, you can share your profile digitally by tapping the QR code icon at the bottom of your screen. You can also add your QR code to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, set it as your home screen widget on your Apple device, or simply access it anytime through this app. From here, you can also send it directly via SMS or text, and even add a profile link to your social media bios or email signatures. Once a contact scans this QR code, they'll be directed to exchange contact information with you. From there, they can receive your info and you can receive theirs. In the Contacts tab, you can view all the connections you've made. You can add notes, extra details, or save contacts directly to your phone. Finally, get comfortable with the platform. Complete the short tutorial at the top of your profile to test how easy it is to exchange contact details. And that's it. You're all set to start networking like a pro with your Wave Digital Business Card. Happy networking